cookies. The best sugar cookies ever. So, you know, before Christmas, you always get these, I don't know, Sam's or Walmart sugar cookies. They're as tiny as can be. And look at all that food coloring. Well, these sugar cookies right here are homemade. They have no color in them. And they taste so good.
Yep, you can find the recipe online. It's Pioneer Woman.
Yeah, Pioneer Woman.
Ree Drummond, but it's Pioneer Woman sugar cookie recipe.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yee! Merry Christmas to 105 people!
Yay! Merry Christmas!
If 105 people watching this video, probably in about a month they'll get that many views. Anyway, so thank you for 105 subscribers. That's crazy! It's like just the other day I hit 100. And look, we got a fireplace. It's an electric fireplace, alright? Don't judge me. But still, it works. Alright. Then we got my MacBook set up over here. Might not look like it because we got the MacBook over there powering all this. Anyway. And then we got our Christmas tree up, which we've had up since September. Anyway. Alright. And then I actually never showed you guys this for a reason. It's a pink iPhone 7 Plus. It's cracked. Got it from my aunt for Christmas. I mean, it's cracked, but it's awesome. It's pretty cool. It's a play phone. And also, whoop, here's a thing. Here's a mini review of the Siri remote. It's really good. I've lost it 4 times, but you know, it's nice. All right. Even though I've lost it 5 times, I think I lost it 5 times actually, and I've only had it. I haven't even had it for a week. I haven't even had it for a week, and I lost it 5 times. And I've gone a day without using it because I lost it. And guess where it was? Look.
Yeah, we lost it.
Usually when people say they lost their remotes, they don't tell you where they found it. Right here, in this hole of my tent, where I usually have my water. It was right back there and there. I mean, I looked there, but then I just didn't look thoroughly. I looked everywhere else. And this humidifier is awesome! If you haven't seen the unboxing, go check that out. Woo! Back my phone's sticky.
Maybe Lucky yacked on it.
What? He made a donut on it!
Yep, Lucky may have gone bleh on it.
What? That is a Oh. But it was all around parts of the phone. What? What? I need to put a case back on it.
I need new ears. Oh, by the way, here's the recipe.
Oh, here's the recipe for the cookies.
Pause to read.
Pause to read.
Here's what they look like, at least for her.
And here's what they look like. But then, here's our results.
We're getting close.
We're
almost ready.
We're getting close. Almost ready. I was in the middle of recording a video upstairs. And then Big was like, sugar cookies are in the oven. And I was rushing innocence. Oh, yeah. Yeah, we fixed up our garage.
There we go.
Well, we fixed up the garage. We got it here, and then we got a TV there. I'll show you in a minute. Wow! Wow! I wonder how hot they are. Let me get my thermometer.
They're cooling off as we speak.
236 degrees Fahrenheit. That is 112 degrees Celsius is what it says. The pan. It's 230 degrees Fahrenheit, and that is 112 degrees Celsius for some of you. Some of you who don't know what Fahrenheit is.
Yeah.
Not all the viewers are in the U.S. Yep, the YouTube analytics say that. I want to eat food. I don't care if it's 200 degrees. Anyway, so if you've seen any of my videos, you would know that we've had too many fridges stacked here in the garage. Well, now we did a little bit of rearranging, and now they're here. Looks really good. As you see, there's Lucky's water, there's Lucky's food, there's his wet food, there's the fridges, there's the shelf, there's the hot stove, alright? And these don't have any bad stuff in it. They don't have any artificial coloring. Which, if I have artificial coloring, I have problems with it.
Made them from scratch.
Yeah, we made these from scratch. I have sharp fingernails. Need trim! I'm gonna break one of my phones! There's already holes in the back of my teardown skin. There's holes in the back of my teardown skin from me holding it. Yes, this video is filmed off an iPhone 13 Pro Max. ThinkMate said if you can eat a stack of these in... I'm kidding. You're not supposed to have, like, loads and loads and loads and loads. Like, you can have 2 or 3.
Gotta go cool the pan down. I'll be back.
Look. Macro. Macro camera. He's going to cool the pan. Alright, and we will see you in the next clip. I've already taken a couple bites. I couldn't wait, but let's see. These are way better than any artificial coloring ones. They are like eating sugar by the pile. They're so good. So good. I gotta eat more. BRB.